Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the right stainless tie and PPE. Once selected, hold the locking head steady and feed the tail through the head slot. Pull until the tail lies snug against the bundle. Make sure wires or sharp edges are protected. You should feel increasing resistance as teeth engage. If you need a precise gap, leave 0. 1 cm for tensioning. Once the bundle sits correctly, pause and check alignment so the locking head faces outward and is accessible for final tensioning. You now tension the tie properly. Grip the tail near the head and pull steadily, or attach a tensioning tool to the tail for uniform force. Once the fit is snug, use the tool to ratchet down until you reach firm resistance. This compresses the tie teeth into the tail. Make sure to maintain alignment so the teeth engage squarely. Misalignment causes slipping. If multiple ties secure a run, space them evenly and tighten from the middle outward to distribute load and prevent shifting of the bundle. You finish by trimming the excess tail to nearly flush with the locking head, using heavy-duty snips or a cut-off wheel for a clean cut. Once trimmed, deburr the edge and press the tail against the head so the teeth remain engaged. This prevents snagging. Make sure the head sits flat and the tie holds without wiggle. If you notice slippage or a partially engaged lock, remove that tie and install a new one. Don't rely on a compromised tie, because stainless locking ties depend on proper tooth engagement for long-term security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.